Hi you guys, assalamu alaikum. My name is Asha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've been gone for quite some times. I just got busy because I started a new job and all that stuff, so that kept me busy. I tried to do videos, but it didn't turn out to be too good, so I didn't bother to post it. But here I am trying again. Hopefully this video comes out well for me to post it. So yeah, anyways, today is gonna be about the bronzer that I got from TILBURY, the new one, the cream bronzers. I got two shades, the two darkest shades, 310 and 4 deep. This is the shades I got, well, the packaging at least. But yeah, this is the two shades. It's so huge though, same as the other ones anyway. Look at it. Oh, they're so good. They look good, at least for me. So yeah, I'm gonna do swatches, both shades side by side for the powder, and this is the cream in shade 4. This one is the powder 10, and then this is the cream 10. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Yeah, while I get ready, why don't you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment below, give me a thumbs up. You know, I always say this, but any suggestions as to what kind of videos you want to see on my channel, that'd be great. You know, it will give me a little bit of at least what to do. It gives me purpose, I guess I will say. You know, instead of just I don't know, but yeah. Okay, for a Mercier Pore Canvas Primer, illuminating one. I hope you guys can see. I am close enough, I think. I hope so. Hollywood Flawless Filter. I have in two shades. One is the shade 7 and the other one is 6.5. So this one is more orangey, so it will work as a corrector for me. So two. How am I doing so far? I know I haven't been posting, like I said before, but do you guys find any kind of interest in my video that will make you guys come back again and maybe subscribe, give me a thumbs up? I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys stay and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. That'd be great. Yeah, but color collecting done. Now I don't know why I like this part, but anyways, foundation I haven't used in a long time. This is the original one, Tom Ford Traceless Perfecting Foundation in SPF 15. And now concealer. I'm gonna use this Dior concealer N4. It seems a bit too light because I used it. This is my second time trying to use it, so we'll see how it works. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna put 3 on this side. Oh, gorgeous. You guys see that? I don't know if the camera is picking it up properly, but that's how the shade 3 looks. I'll add more. Oh, this shade is so perfect. Look at that. And I'm gonna use the same brush, but on the other side, the shade 4. Here's shade 4. Oh wow. It's more like it will work as a contour as well. Oh, look at that. This is like more the right amount for bronzer, and this one if you want it like more out there. But so that's how it looks. I'm gonna, yeah, I will layer and then see how that works. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm just gonna go back with the BB with the foundation one I used just to. Anyways, if you guys still here, hit that like, subscribe, and comment below. And I also have Instagram. Again, I haven't posted in a long time, but hopefully, inshallah, I will do better. Okay. And then marinate. There you go. I'm gonna use shade 3 in the powder one. Renewing anyway. So what do you guys think so far? I like it, honestly. Charlotte Tilbury, what is it called? Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I think I'm gonna reapply the highlighter because it seems to disappear. Maybe I blended out too much. Ew. Never lick your lips after you spray. Yuck. I'm gonna use my old technique, things that I love to do. Okay, I have the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate Contour, whatever it's called. Well, Sculpt Illuminate, and instantly 2. I have 3 as well, but I'm gonna finish this one up before using the other one. This is how much I love the illuminator. Look, I barely use this up, but this one, however, you can see is almost empty. And don't mind my messiness that you can see the reflection, but this is how I use it, and I will continue using it until I'm not gonna buy it just for this one, the shade, but hopefully I can find a replacement. If you guys have any suggestion as to which one, please do let me know. And I'm gonna go ahead right now and use that bio actually. But yeah, this is how I use it. I love. I've seen people come like not liking it. They don't know how to use it, I think. But for me, we are in love. Well, I should say I'm in love with it. So yeah. If he only sells separately, it'd be great because everybody will be happy. Yeah. And I do use this too sometimes. But this is the love of my life. Okay? Yeah. Mood light, 01 mood light. Look at that reflection. This is what I do all the time, okay? Even if I don't use this mood light highlighter, the powder one, I will use any other highlighter but with the cream highlighter combined. That is how I like to do it. See, look at this. Pure glass, okay? You can't deny that. You cannot deny this, okay? Look at that. I know it's supposed to be about Charlotte Tilbury, but the highlighter didn't work for me, so maybe I should get, if she has any other highlighters, I don't know. I can't keep up with the beauties nowadays, honestly. But I'm just gonna use Huda Beauty lip liner in the shade, what is it called? Rich Brown. Use one of her lipstick in the shade Catwalking. That's what it's called. And yeah. I am gonna add a lip gloss because it's just not for me. I have a dry lips. Thank you for sticking around, and if you're still here and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe and become part of my little community. But yeah, so anyway, what do you guys think? You guys like how I do my bronzing and all that stuff with the cream and powder? If you did enjoy it, please do comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and that's about it. I guess I just want to say thank you for being here, and yeah, I will see you guys next time. Until then, doo doo doo. I don't know what that is, but we'll just go with it. So doo 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 doo. But anyways, deuces.